This ESLITE Granite frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It comes in a lovely cream color. The 8-inch size is perfect for cooking eggs or small meals. It even includes a lid and spatulas. And that's quite handy. The non-stick surface means food slides right off. Cleaning is a breeze. And we really appreciate that. The healthy granite coating on this ESLITE Granite frying pan is PFOA-free. This gives us peace of mind while cooking for ourselves or our family. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps prevent hot spots that could damage your food. The grip on the handle feels secure and comfortable. It makes flipping omelets easy. And that's a big plus. Overall, the ESLITE Granite frying pan is a solid choice. It meets our basic requirements for a non-stick skillet. While it might not be the biggest of skillets, it's ideal for smaller tasks. We haven't had any issues with damage so far. For men or women who enjoy cooking simple dinners, this pan is a good option. We don't have any negative feedback at this time. Pros: PFOA-free, includes a lid, comes with spatulas, easy to clean, granite coating, good for omelettes, chef's pan style, cream color 8-inch size. Cons: some find it hard to clean, handle can burn if near flame, pan may not sit flat on burner. Uneven cooking possible, lid may leak. Trap water, missing parts reported by some, not always truly non-stick, dishwasher use not always. Advised features: non-stick frying pan, skillet with lid, healthy granite coating, egg omelet pan, stone cookware, chef's pan, PFOA-free, cream color 8-inch size, includes lid. This cream colored 8-inch ESLITE frying pan is designed for making eggs and omelets with its healthy granite non-stick coating, which is PFOA-free. It's a stone cookware chef's pan that comes with a lid and spatulas, making cooking and cleanup easier because food won't stick. This cream-colored 8-inch ESLITE frying pan has a non-stick granite coating and comes with a lid and spatulas, making it good for cooking omelets. It's designed in a chef's pan style and is PFOA-free and generally easy to clean. However, some users have found it hard to clean, and the handle can get hot if near a flame. There are also reports that the pan might not sit flat, could cook unevenly, and the lid might leak or trap water. Additionally, some customers have mentioned missing parts or that it's not always truly non-stick, and dishwasher use may not be ideal.